Good dancing, Charlotte. How long do you want to stay in your cot for?
I want to stay in my cot for 100 years.
For 100 years?
Yeah.
Do you love your cot?
Oh, so nice.
It's so nice.
It cuddles me all the time.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it? It's a nice, cosy cot.
It's a nice, cozy cot.
So you're going to stay in there for a long time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I am.
Okay.
I promise I want to.
Okay, you can. That's okay. You can stay in there
Okay.
for as long as you like.
I can dance for a long time. Long time ago. Oh, I got a tiger.
You do.
It's a cuddly toy. It's a cuddly toy.
It is a cuddly toy. He's lovely to cuddle, isn't he? You've had
He
him.
roars. Wah!
Oh, he's scary.
Wah!
Oh,
Wah!
rah.
Wah!
Oh, I'm very scared.
Wah! Wah!
It's a funny line. Oh, he's very loud roaring. He's got... Oh dear.
I got the cough.
You do when you roar that loud. All that loud roaring makes you cough.
Oh, my cough.
Oh dear.
I almost make me cough.
Are you okay?
I almost make me cough.
Yeah. Are you okay? Oh.
My cough come back again. My cough came back again. My cough came back again.
It did.
That makes my cough feel bad.
Oh dear.
Is it Ryan?
Oh dear.
Almost make me cough.
Oh.
I did a cough.
Indeed.
Silly Ryan.